In this video you will learn how to fix the Razer 7.1 surround sound problem. Check your audio device connection. Ensure the Razer headset is properly plugged into your PC or USB port. Set the Razer 7.1 surround sound as the default device. Go to sound settings, playback devices, then select Razer 7.1 surround sound as the default. Update Razer sign-apps or audio drivers. Open the Razer sign-apps and check for updates. Also update your PC's audio drivers. Reinstall the Razer 7.1 surround sound app. If the software is corrupted, uninstall it, then reinstall the latest version from the Razer website. Check the Windows surround elements. Disable conflicting Windows sound elements that may interfere with your Razer surround sound. Test different apps and games. Play audio from multiple sources to confirm the surround sound is working correctly. Now you know how to fix the Razer 7.1 surround sound problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.